Hey guys, so I want to bring to you the best solo in the world, in my opinion, which changed my musical career, which is John Mayer's Crossroads solo, where he comes out, he's like, every note is dedicated to Mr. B.B. King.
Today is dedicated to Mr. B.B. King.
And me and my editor worked really hard with this editing, and I'm about to show you so you can learn much faster. Take a look. Here we go. There you go. Woo! So instantly you get a lick like, whoa, what is he doing, right? And he's going. That's exactly what he's doing. He's going. Now, here is the thing, and I'll show you guys the notes, but because I don't have a pick, and those of you that don't play with a pick, I am forced, I can't do it clean, right? I have to do this with my nails. So I play the whole solo just up and down with my nails, right? But the notes, and those of you who have a pick shouldn't have a problem doing that, the notes go. But here's the beauty in this, right? You don't go, when you come back up, you go, and then, so I'm not touching any other string, I'm going, right? So that's the first lick that he's doing, right? Beautiful entrance to a beautiful solo. Here we go. So now he's going, right? Again, so he's micro bending everything here. He's micro bending to each note almost every time. So every time he hits a note, you can almost hear it bend up a little bit, and that's why the solo is alive and it doesn't sound like static. You know what I mean? So he's going, right? Everything is moving and it's going so fast, right? Beautiful. So far we have. So we're getting into a higher bend, so he's going down here. Right? Beautiful, beautiful bending, and I'll show you the tone in a little bit. Here we go. Now that is a hard, because I've only played this solo fast. I've never played it slow, so even teaching you guys is a little bit hard for me, right? So he's going. Right? That same thing. And here's what's amazing about this is you really want to get it down fast, right? Once you get it down slow, you just want to keep upping the metronome to get to his level. And I'll show you guys a backing track as well. It'll be on my Patreon. You can go check that out to play along for free. So you can go and enjoy that, right? So far, I want to show you, so far we have. Right? And here's where the beautiful part comes in. So he's going. So that's on the root note, he'll go. And then he goes, which is. And then he comes down to, right, with these two notes down here. So the cool thing about this is, even though when you listen to the solo, you're like, oh my God, there's so much going on. But when I'm showing you the illustrations, it's just notes, and we're just figuring out you can get this by the end of tonight if you sit down on it, right? So far, and I don't want to do another so far. Let's just continue. So it comes down over here, right? And we're getting into now the final thing to end up the solo, right? So he goes. So that's. Right? And then the final lick, which is just the most killer fast lick you could hear, is. think that's what he's doing. I can do it fast when I do the whole solo, but when I'm doing it slowly, for whatever reason, my brain just, I'm not gonna say it. So he goes, and then he ends it there, right? So let's do one more time. Yeah, so he's definitely going. So it's. So it's a slow run up, but if you do it fast, it sounds fantastic, right? So you want to sit down and do it slowly, slowly, and up the metronome. So far we have the full solo, right? And I'm gonna play it slowly for you guys, so you can kind of play along. It goes. Right? And then he gets into this really cool groove at the end. And by the way, if you like this tone, you can check out in my Patreon. We pump out new tones every month, and in this month it's gonna be this one. And I've worked really hard on this tone. And let me show you a little bit